use a input method, and the third one is called button itself, that how I can create the button. So these all three methods are also I have defined in my HTML and CSS series, that how I can create the button with the help of these three tags. So if you want to read in that series, then there is an I button. You can click on the I button and you can view my all HTML and CSS series. Now I will also tell you here that how you can create the button with the help of these three tags, and I will also tell you the classes of the Bootstrap which helps you to create the button. Now what I will do is, if you want to create the button with the help of anchor text, then you will write here hyperreference. I will write here hash is for the empty, and in between I will write here, like you can say I will write button. So in the anchor text we also have to define the role. What is the role? Role is like button. Now I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the button is created, but these two things are from here. Let me remove this thing. I'll save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the button is created. So this is the button. Now what Bootstrap class we will use here? The Bootstrap class, for this purpose we will use here class, and in between I will write here btn. I will save this, refresh my browser, and you will see nothing is showing there. Why? Because here we have to use the class btn dash light. I will save this, refresh my browser. Now you will see the button here. Here you can see the button is showing here, right? So whenever you want to create the button, then in the anchor text you will write here btn space btn dash light. Hope you understand this thing. Now I will tell you that with the help of input how you can create the button. I will write here input closing tag. In between I will write here, like say I will write here type submit, right? And also I will write here value which I want to show on the button text, and here I will write one class. Which class I want to use? The same class, right? I will write here btn space btn dash light. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the button is also created, right? So now you know that with the help of anchor and with the help of an input tag you can create the button. Now I will tell you that if you are going to create the button with the actual button tag, then how you can do that. That is also very simple. You will write here button closing tag, and here in between let me write here button, and which class I will use here? The same class I will use, like I will write here btn space btn dash light. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the button is created, right? Now in this way that you can create the buttons very easily. Now let me tell you that if you want to change the background of the button, or you want to show the button in different scenarios, how you can use the classes for those, let me tell you this thing. What I will do is I will copy this, and I will paste it here like 3 or 4 times. Now what I will do is I will write here first of all primary, right? And I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see buttons are created. So this is for the primary. You can see this is blue color, right? And now let me change everything here. I will write here success. These are all the classes of the Bootstrap that you can use to change the background of the button, right? To change the color of the button. I will write here info. If you want to show some button like the info, you can show. So this is for the warning. You will write here btn dash warning. And if you want a red color, then you will write here btn dash danger. And here you will write what, like this is what we do not need. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see, so this is for the btn light, and if you want to show the blue button, then you will write here btn primary. And if you want the green button, then you will write here btn space btn success. So green button will shows here. And for the info, btn dash info, this button is here. And if you want to show your audience like the button like warning or yellow button, then you will write here btn dash warning. And for the danger, it is red. So everything is responsive, like on all the media you can see this, everything is responsive. So that's why we use the Bootstrap, because at any media or at any screen size, everything is responsive. Here you can see, that's why we use the Bootstrap classes. Now let me tell you one thing more. You can also change the size of the button. How you can change the size of the button? Let me tell you this thing also. Let me copy this button, right? And I will write here btn danger. And for this, what we will use is the class which we use, that is called btn dash lg, lg for the large button. And if I want to show the small button, then what class I will use is I will write here btn dash sm, sm for small. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the button size is bigger than from all the buttons, and this button is smaller than in all the buttons. Here you can see, right? So this is what you can change the size of the buttons. Hope you are understand this thing. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Now if you want to show the button like the disable, which is not clickable by anyone, then how you can show that button here? So here simply in this tag I will write here disabled, like this. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see this button is not clickable, right? Hope you understand this thing. If you want to show this button like the blue, then simply you will write here primary, because the primary color is used for the blue color. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see this is disable blue color. Hope you understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. And next very interesting thing which I want to tell you, that how you can show the outline buttons, like the button is showing with the outline colors. So for this purpose, what we will use is, I will save this, I will write here, first of all I will write here like outline btn dash outline dash light. I will save this and show you the results. Here you can see the button is showing, right, with the outline color, but we are not able to see the text here. Why? Let me find this thing also. Let me copy this, paste it here. Here I will write all the classes name, like I will write here first of all primary, and in the next I will write here success. Here I will write info for the info button, and here I will write like warning. Here I can write danger. I will save this like btn outline light, btn outline primary. I will refresh my browser. Here you can see the buttons are showing here, like this is for the blue color. Let me show you like this. If I need outline of blue, right, then what I will write here, outline btn dash outline primary. For the green I will write here btn dash outline dash success, and for this color I will use info btn outline dash warning for the yellow, and btn outline dash danger for the red. As the light color is showing for the light, so this one is showing as a light button, right? Hope you are understand everything. So in this way you can show your buttons. These are all, you can see, responsive with the screen size, it's changing. So these are the advantages of the Bootstrap classes. We use the Bootstrap classes. Now in this lecture you have studied that how you can create the breadcrumbs with the help of Bootstrap classes, and how you can create the different type of buttons, the button colors and the outline buttons, the button size, how you can create with the Bootstrap classes. You know this. Now if you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. So if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone, so that everyone can get this knowledge, make their own websites very easily. This is all for today. Thank you so much.